What's going on, you guys? This is Clint. I'm going to show you how you can turn your exhaust system looking from this to this. And all you need are some gloves, steel wool, and barkeeper's friend. So what you want to do is wet down your exhaust. You don't have to have a pressure washer. I'm just using this just to get some dirt and debris off. Just super clean it, kind of. Now you just take your bark cleaner's friend or barkeeper's friend, just sprinkle it on top. Alright, they kind of get clumped up. Just basically sprinkle it all like this. So once you have it sprinkled up, set your garden hose or whatever you have to mist. Make sure it's a mist. Just lightly mist it. So it's kind of turns into like a little paste like that. Now you just want to let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then you put on your steel wool, or you put on your gloves, and then you can rub it with the steel wool. So you can see how that's like kind of tanned up and stuff like that. So you can take your steel wool and just go in one direction, or any direction really, and you can just scrub it like this. You can see how it takes that off. And this is super fast, doesn't take a long time, and you get amazing results. And it's super cheap to do as well. So there's that. I just did it for a little bit just to show you guys. See that? What a night and day difference. Alright, so there's the video. Enjoy. Okay, so this is the finished result. It looks wonderful. Look how clear that looks. And this is without the polish. So this is after the barkeeper's friend and the steel wool. Looks great. Of course, there are spots like this where it doesn't get it out completely. I mean, this is an exhaust system. It's underneath your car. You won't really see that. But if you have a show car and you're going to be putting mirrors underneath the car to showcase your exhaust system, you may want to sand these down with, I don't know, about 1500 or 2000 grit, and then work your way up to get all these imperfections out and the discoloration out. But, you know, for a daily driver, or, you know, you just want to kind of clean it up just to make it look nice. This works just perfectly fine for me personally, but of course, if it was for a show car, I might take the extra effort and completely restore it like that. But what you want to do after you're finished with that is, let's say you've finished sanding it, you want to take some metal polish. These are two that are pretty good. I feel like this one works a little better, but I haven't seen that in stores anymore. I think they might have changed it to this. I bought this a long time ago, and it still works. I still have like, you know, that much left. So I bought this quite a while ago, but you can also use this. This is more of a paste, and this is more of like a clay sort of substance. So you know, put this on, get a microfiber towel or terry towel, rub it in until it turns black, and then once it turns black, then you can wipe it with another clean towel or microfiber towel, and it will take out those micro scratches. It'll take out the micro scratches and any other like imperfections like this. It'll restore that completely. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this helped you guys restore your exhaust system.